Welcome to another video of IMS Electronics. Today we're gonna learn the different errors that we're gonna find while using the Arduino board. We're gonna open the Arduino IDE and open a new file. In the new files, we're gonna go under Tools. In Tools, we have to check if all the settings are as follows. As the Arduino board Uno selected, is the port selected, here in our case the COM10, and then finally we have to go under Programmer and check if Arduino ISP is selected. After we have checked that all these settings are selected, we're gonna go ahead and try and run our program. So we're gonna go ahead and upload the program and see what happened. As expected, the program has been uploaded. The program has been uploaded, and then you can see that it's done uploading. So now we're gonna go ahead and try and change one of the settings and see what happens. We're gonna go ahead and upload the program and wait and see which kind of error will be generated. As expected, when changing one of the settings, we have an error which is displayed under as here. So whenever we change one of the settings, we have to make sure that the board that we are using is changed in accordingly. The other type of error we're gonna see is being generated when the pin 0 and 1 of the Arduino are being engaged. When any of these two is engaged and we are trying to upload a code to the Arduino board, this is gonna generate some error. And before the error is being generated, it's gonna take time for the Arduino to try to compile and sync. So the error is gonna take longer to appear. So we might even think that the board is not working, as the time taken by this is very long. So whenever we want to upload a program in the Arduino board, we have to make sure that the pin 0 and 1 of the Arduino board have no connection. Otherwise, this error is gonna be generated. For coding best practices, we have to make these errors on our own so that in the future, when this kind of error appear, we're gonna be able to debug them and not be bothered in our program, in our project. So the more errors we are getting, the better it is, as it increases our skills. As we can see right now, this error is being generated. So we should not fear anything or be bothered by it, but rather learn from it. So whenever we see this type of error, we should know that the pin 0 and 1 are engaged, and we should remove the connection which are connected there. So if we remove these two connections and try to re-upload our code on the board, it should work fine. These are the two or three common type of error that we're gonna find while using the Arduino board. What we have to do is just to make sure that in our settings we have selected the right port, the right board, and the right programmer. If all of these are checked, we are sure not to get any errors. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next.